Dear listeners, as I promised that I'll be with you in your journey to make 2021 the best year ever of your life, today I am giving you a very secret remedy that will change your luck forever. It has helped so many people when they absolutely needed a miracle. Just one coin, whether it is $1, €1, £1, or any currency, you just need one coin which will help you to change your luck forever. It will give you so much money that you will never face any difficulties related to your finances in your life ever. It is such a secret and such a magical remedy that will make you financially safe forever. If you do it just once, you will never have any problems related to money in your life. This has to be used if you are suffering from a lack, a scarcity of money in your life. This has helped so many people who were in extremely difficult financial situation, who were having debt on them, and have successfully paid their debt, their rents, their loans, and said goodbye to their difficulties forever. Once you do it, it will boost your luck by 1000%. Usually we say €1, £1, one coin has no importance. But after doing this, you will understand the importance of one coin in your life. This one coin will change your life forever. And you don't have to do much. All you have to do is to take one coin. It can be €1, $1, or any currency in the world. All you have to do is to take one coin and you have to keep it under your pillow on a Saturday night. Just listen carefully because you have to follow all the steps of this procedure. So be careful that you do as I tell you. There is also a precaution that you have to take, because if you don't take that precaution, you will end up blocking your money channels again. Start on any Saturday evening, take one coin, keep it under your pillow and sleep. The next day, you have to donate this one coin to any needy person, or better, if you can donate it to a person who works as a domestic help in your home, or a sweeper, or any cleaning staff that you know. Just donate this coin to a needy person, a sweeper, a domestic help, a cleaner, or else simply give it to anyone who you find needy. Now repeat this for 45 days in a row. Trust me, if you can do it just once in your life, this will change the rest of your life. There are some precautions that you have to keep in your mind, as this is a very powerful procedure. You will start that money starts flowing in from all directions in an abundance almost instantly and immediately as you start this process. So what you have to be careful is that whatever money that starts manifesting in your life, you will make sure to regularly donate to some needy persons any amount according to your choice from the money that starts coming in after doing this procedure. Remember that the money should always be in a circulation. If you just keep on receiving and you are being miser and you're not donating, you might be blocking this circulation of money in your life. Because the more money that comes in, the more you should be generous in helping others and uplifting others as well. This is a secret of manifesting more and more abundance in your life. It's a very simple logic of universal manifestation that the more you give, the more you receive. Once the universe opens all the channels, all the floodgates of financial abundance on you, you should become more generous in helping others. This will attract more abundance, more financial security, more money in your life. Simply need to do this once in your life and you will see regular benefits coming in. If you wish to repeat it, you can repeat it every 6 months or once a year in order to boost your resources. But once is more than enough. You will never face any lack, any insecurity in your life. I can't tell you enough how miraculous, how magical this solution is. Try this, and then once you see the benefits of it, you will let me know in the comments, because I'll be happy to see you manifesting. This is my mission this year, that I have to help every person who is suffering, whether it's lack of money, whether it's due to health reasons, whether it's lack of love, or whatever you wish to manifest in this life. I have to help you overcome your present difficulties in every sector of life. This is the resolution that I have made with divine grace, with the help of omnipotent universe. I'm going to give you so many magical remedies that will help you overcome anything that you are suffering from. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. There is a red subscription button under the video, and hit the bell notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you immediately get that and you can do that remedy. Please do all the remedies that I suggest you. You don't spend anything. It costs you 1 coin and they're almost free to do. Try them and change your luck, because nobody can help you if you are not ready to help yourself. If you take one step, the whole universe takes 1,000 steps to help you. The floodgates are open to help you manifest your desires. Keep on moving with determination, with patience, with trust, and soon you'll be manifesting whatever you desire. The message that I wish to give you today is, if you can wait with patience, all the problems in the world get solved and sorted out. So keep on moving, keep on doing the remedies, keep on praying, and together we are going to make the 2021 the most magical year of your life. If you are having any difficulties, any other problems, please write in the comment. I'll give you remedies, I'll make prayers for you, and I'll pray personally for you to help you overcome the present difficult situations of your life. Make sure that you show up every day to see my uploads so that you can change your life as soon as possible. Till then, stay blessed, stay blissful, pray every day, and change your luck. The key is in your hands. I can simply suggest you, I can simply give you remedies, but you have to make sure that you do them so that you can get the right benefits at the right moment. Remember, it's never too late. If you start doing things, things start happening.